Have you lost your Cash App card and are worried someone might use it? Don't panic. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to report your card as missing, secure your account, and request a replacement, all from inside the Cash App. Stick with me to the end so you don't miss a crucial step that keeps your money safe. First, open your Cash App and look at the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon. This will open your account menu. Next, scroll down and select Support. Inside the Support section, use the search bar to type Lost Card. You'll see an official help article from Cash App pop up. Tap on that article and follow its instructions. It will guide you to tap the Cash Card tab on your home screen. Select Cash Card Support. Choose Card Stolen or Compromised. Here you'll get multiple options: missing, stolen, compromised, or damaged. Tap Card Missing. This immediately alerts Cash App that your card is lost, and they will lock it to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Cash App may ask for a bit more information to verify your identity. Once confirmed, they'll help you order a replacement card right from the app. And that's it. And your card is now locked and safe. Remember, reporting it as soon as possible is the best way to protect your balance. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides like this, and drop a comment if you have any questions about Cash App.